Are locked on the first floor. They didn't keycard the elevator, they keycarded the call buttons. This is a very new elevator, but we're at 7. There's the courtyard mirror at which Hotel Surgeon's pool with. You guys from the other video, 6 million DKs. You can see he's a CEO of Los Angeles Center. I've been to all these buildings. Is this even a Morel? It appears this place has lower ceilings than that courtyard. Oh, this one's got the rear door on every floor. Let's go for one, and all the rear doors are on. All the rear doors are locked. The camera doing is just lingers 150 hertz for no reason. I'm not sure why. Frequency is up for me.